bulldozer, bulldozer. The bulldozer is leveling up the formation. The bulldozer is leveling up the formation. Scraper, scraper, scraper. The scraper is dominant tool in highway construction. The scraper is dominant tool in highway construction. Grader, grader, grader. The cost for shift of the grader is 1.5 million VND. Louder, louder, louder. Two more louder will be mobilized tomorrow to ensure the time schedule. Roller, roller. The roller will be used as soon as we grade asphalt, concrete, crane. The crane is lowering steel bars to the second floor. Concrete batching plant. Prior to operating the concrete mixing plant, make sure that the machine and the surrounding environment are clean. The loud dump truck. The louder is loading gravel onto the dump truck. Thank you.